Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use data spikes in Star Wars Outlaws. This essential tool, similar to a sonic screwdriver, is your key to unlocking many secrets and progressing through the galaxy. It functions as a lockpicking device, enabling you to access restricted areas and valuable loot. The core mechanic revolves around a rhythm-based minigame, requiring precise timing to successfully bypass security measures. Mastering this will significantly enhance your outlaw capabilities. Your journey to becoming a master lockpicker begins early in the game, during the beginning's tutorial mission. Kay's data spike will initially be broken, requiring a visit to Preben's shop for repairs. You'll need to gather 100 credits to cover the cost. After this initial repair, the data spike becomes a permanent fixture in your arsenal, ready to be deployed whenever you encounter a locked mechanism, granting you access to new opportunities. Using the data spike involves a rhythmic challenge where you must press the R2 or RT button in time with the lock's beeping and flashing lights. Pay close attention to both the audio and visual cues. Early locks might have just 2 beats, but more complex ones will feature 3 or even more, demanding greater precision. Don't worry if you miss a beat. The sequence will simply reset, allowing you to try again without penalty, so take your time. When lockpicking, remember to peek around using the right analog stick to ensure no guards are nearby, as being spotted can impact your faction standing. If you find the rhythm challenging, head to the settings menu. Here, you can adjust the lockpicking difficulty, enable a pulsing white ring visual aid, or even turn off the rhythm challenge completely. Mastering the data spike not only secures you valuable loot and credits, but also earns you the Get Rhythm Bronze trophy for picking 20 locks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.